Hello everyone, welcome to the Flutter installation and setup tutorial by the CodeVengers team. I am Dheeraj from CodeVengers and I have Darshan also from CodeVengers, and he'll be guiding me throughout the process on how to install Flutter and set up my system for Flutter development. So
Hello.
without wasting any time, let's get started. Yes, Darshan.
Yeah. So I have given you some websites. You can show them to them.
All right. So I'll go to the so this one website which Darshan gave me was flutter.dev/doc/get started/install. You can come over here and you can choose your operating system. We have Windows, Mac OS. Basically, all the operating systems are supported. We'll be using the Windows version. So yeah, so these are the system requirements. You must satisfy these system requirements, but I guess they are pretty generous about this, and I guess you can easily set up your system with this. So I think I should install the zip version, Darshan.
Yeah, it's depend upon you if you want to, if you have already get installed in it. So yeah, there is also a requirement. You also need Git. Okay.
Okay,
So it
so
depends upon you. If you want to install it through Git, you can install through a Git, or you can install it zip as well.
so let's go with the general version where the people will be downloading. So
Yeah.
I already have this zip file installed on my computer. So you can just click over here and install the zip file. All right, let's move on.
So the second thing which we require is Android Studio. Okay. So basically, Android Studio is directly not required for this thing, but the
Mhm.
SDK which it installs and JRE and all stuff. So that thing is pretty much important for running Android, for generating Android APKs. So yeah, the next thing is VS Code. So VS Code, the most like everyone knows about it. If you have been a
Yeah,
developer.
so I guess we'll be using Visual Studio Code for the actual code writing purpose instead of Android Studio Code, right?
Yeah, the reason behind this is Visual Studio is very light than Android Studio Code. So
It's a lighter editor. Got it. Understood. So again, you have your operating systems over. You can choose Windows. I already have Windows. I already have Visual Studio Code installed on my PC, and yeah, let's move on. So guys, we have downloaded all the required files beforehand so that we can save time during this installation. So I have all the required files in this installation folder.
yeah, so I would recommend to start with the Android Studio because it might take a lot of time. So yeah,
All
you can
right, I'll
fire up
just
once you get
fire
started.
up the Android installer. All right, verifying installer. I will
Yeah,
go with next, next, next. Install. Uh, this might
yeah.
take time.
This might take a minute or two. Like, yeah. So as you can see, like if the Android Studio is installed, then click on the next part, like finish and start the Android Studio. Like you can go with the Android Studio setup then.
I'll not import the settings. All right.
So this might take a second of you to
All right.
start.
All right. Yes, Darshan. Should I update these plugins? Do we need them right now?
Nah, we don't need them, so you can just skip that part.
All right. Should I go with next?
Yeah. Yes.
I should I go with the standard installation?
Yeah, standard installation is enough.
All right. Go with the darker theme because I'm a dark mode fan. I will go next.
So this are all the requirements. And you can go with the finish. This will
All
start
right.
downloading the.
All right. All right. Should I go with finish? Should I finish it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So if you want to use Android Studio for the further like setup and all, like for the
For
coding with
actual
Flutter,
coding. All right.
yeah, for coding with Flutter, so you need to download some packages, plugins over there.
All
So go to
right.
the config section and go to the plugins, and in the marketplace you can see plugins over there. So
All right. Let it
wait for a
just
second to load it.
load up. Yeah.
Yeah. So
So,
if you want to use Flutter, so you need to install the Flutter plugin, and it will also install the Dart for you. So it gives you a prompt. So if you want to use Flutter, then the requirement is Dart as well.
all right. Should
Yeah,
I
it is
close
installed,
this
and
now?
yeah, we don't require Android Studio as of now. No? So
All
you
right.
can just
So,
close it.
yeah, I can close it. All right. So I've closed Android Studio and we are done with the Android Studio IDE setup right now. And now we can move on to the Flutter SDK setup. Yes, Darshan.
Yeah.
So also for
So
just to mention, I have extracted and kept the Flutter folder so that we can save time. Yes, Darshan.
yeah. So for the installation of the Flutter, you need to go to the this PC and like C drive for yourself,
Mm-hmm.
and like just make a folder like arbitrary folder. I would recommend to use SRC because it is in the docs and there's nothing other reason to it. So just
All right.
copy Flutter file folder over there.
All right.
Yeah.
So this folder which I've extracted over here, I can just.
Just paste it over there.
All right.
Yeah. So I would ask you to fire up like environments variable. We need to set that.
All right. Let's just wait for this to get pasted. It will get pasted pretty soon. All right, so that is done. So basically what I've done is I've created a new folder src in my C drive and I've pasted the Flutter directory, the SDK which I extracted from the zip file over here. And now I can move on to set up my path variables.
Yeah. Just
Yes, Darshan.
yeah. Yeah.
So,
Set the environment variable.
all right,
Yeah. Click on path over the user section. Yeah. Click on view. Go to the browse.
I can go to browse and then I can find my Flutter SDK's bin folder over here and then I can,
Yeah.
yeah, I can navigate to the directory where I have installed it, and we need to set the path for this bin folder in my
Yeah.
in our path variables, and I'll go with OK. So yes,
Yeah.
there we have our Flutter path variable
Yeah.
set.
Click on OK.
All
Yeah.
right,
Okay. Now open your CMD and now we will check if the Flutter installation is completed or not.
all right.
Yeah.
What should I do now?
Yeah. Run Flutter Doctor command.
All right. Okay, so it is
Yeah.
showing me two issues. One is that I have no devices connected, so that is fine. I haven't connected my mobile, but this one concerns me. Some Android
Yeah.
licenses are not accepted, so I'll just resolve this by running this command.
Yeah. You can just copy paste that thing. Spelling mistake in the licenses.
All right,
Yeah. So it will ask you some few things and just tip why when you go for it.
all right. 6 of 7 HDK package licenses are not accepted.
Enter why.
Okay, Should I accept all of them? Yes, I'll accept all of them.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah,
I'll accept. I'll accept. I'll accept. I'll accept. All SDK package licenses are accepted. Now I will
You can run also Flutter check, like Flutter
Flutter
document.
Docker.
If
Yes.
of the licenses are accepted.
Okay. Flutter channel. Android licenses. Just still taking. Okay. So Android licenses. Everything is. All the issues are resolved right now. So
Yeah.
what should we do next?
Yeah, this completes your Flutter installation. And later we can part with the another videos and stuff. So we
All
can
right.
continue with the other series.